have at in our dorm halls at Alfred. It's those exact same buttons.
Okay.
The only thing that's different is instead of a red light in there, it's a white light. But it has like the little dot light.
Yeah. This is the elevator outside of the Rave Cinema at Franklin Park Mall. I haven't been able to film this thing before because every time I'm here, there's always security standing in front of this thing. So.
Security just has nothing better to do with their lives.
Oh my God, this thing is huge.
That's dim. I like that.
This thing is massive.
Oh, shit, you have to. I like
Mad replacement buttons.
I like the low lighting.
Yeah. Definitely an Aurora. 9,000 pound capacity.
It's like the size of a freight elevator,
Yeah.
just without the freight door. Here's your phone. Go back.
2. The ThyssenKrupp trick. Yeah, pretty basic ThyssenKrupp, but still pretty nice. Very quiet motor, but still a really nice elevator.